Now in this video we're gonna see how to insert images in LaTeX. See, to insert images we need to write a code like this: slash begin figure. Here h represents here. Okay, there's some parameters which are included in this box. I will tell you later. Now include graphics, scale it to 1, you can scale it to 2 also. You can scale it to 0.5, and this is the name of the file that I have uploaded here. What you need to do is upload the file in this button. Click here, and you need to click here, and you can select your file from which you want to insert. Open it, and you will get upload it, and you will get this file here, and from here you can rename it and place it here. Okay, now here we can add a caption, which is output of the Newton-Raphson method. Okay, label figure. Okay, this figure is labeled as figure 8, and you can end the figure, which is this tag. Now here are some parameters: is here top, bottom, and some is exclamation mark, which is representing the override button. Okay, and if you notice here, the output of Newton-Raphson method is written on the screen on PDF, which is this output of the Newton's method, Raphson method. Okay, and you can also use like this. Here you can see I have written width equals to line width in this square brackets. It represents the same width of the image we can use, and it also represents the same kind of image in this PDF. And also you can change it to mm, which is millimeters, like 60 millimeters or 50 millimeters. You can change it to it or recompile it. If you see the image has become so small you cannot see it. Okay, so based on this width you can change your image size. Okay. Suppose we have some equations written here, and the source code is here. This is the source code, and this is output of the following code. So if you see here, the equal to sign is not aligned properly. See, equal to sign is not aligned properly, so we need to align it. Okay, so now come here. So you can do is what ampersand sign can be placed in each of the code line statement, and also this operator, which is slash, backslash, and colon, can be used for one single white space, and also 2 white space has been given. Okay, so you can also add it, or you may not add it. It depends on your choice, but for me I generally add a blank space here so that we can get output like this. Okay, now let us see how to create this matrix like this. Okay, so let me show you the code first, and then I will explain you. Come here and see this A colon B is written here some like this: bracket start A colon B bracket close equals to, here it is, and begin should be ended with this tag slash end B matrix. B matrix stands for Beckett matrix, and you need to write like this: A sigma x power 4 subscript is I, which is this, and in power is 4 here. Okay, and this cell will be ended by a ampersand sign here. Okay, it means that this ampersand is a cell. Okay, and this is another cell, and this one is another cell, and there's a colon here, which is also separated by this 2 ampersand, and also the sigma x2 subscript I y subscript I. Next line is next row. Okay, and you can again continue with this. Okay, and at the end you need not to write the next line here, because it will end the bracket matrix. Okay, one thing is important in this bracket matrix is that B matrix, which is bracket matrix, takes the code as in math mode. Okay, because here you write sigma, it means that it is in math mode. Okay, and if you write like this, something like this, okay, you should remove one sigma here. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Here if you see, the sigma remains the same, but the font of the X has changed in some way. See, the X was here like this in this place, but the X has changed because it has converted the math mode into text mode, which is not required. So you need not write the $sign in B matrix. Also in align, you should not write the in math mode. You should not write this dollar and then place the sigma or some mathematical operator here. Okay, and also in equation also, you should not write this $sign because it is all in math mode. You need not to go into the math mode again. Okay, and for doing in text mode, you can write like this. See, if you see here, I have put the text in curly braces hello. It will appear like this in the output in the PDF. Okay, it is in text mode. It is not in math mode. It is in text mode. But if you want to convert into math mode, you need to again write the $sign and enclose this hello word. Okay, and if you write dollar and enclose this word, then you will see some output like this in italics. Okay, it is in math mode. Okay, now let's see how to write an algorithm in LaTeX. See, right, for writing algorithm like this, you should have code like this: begin algorithm, and this algorithm should end like this: end algorithm. Okay, and in caption, if you write anything, it will come here. Okay, caption, the caption is like this: the enciphering algorithm. Okay, up to here, it will come up to here. Okay, and infinity has not been here. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, now begin algorithmic. Okay, now after you write this, there will be a line drawn horizontal like this, and state every line in algorithm. Initialize the key exchange like this and get the PCK, which is okay. Now generate the ST based on the PK exchange. It is also second line. Okay, if you write two state word, it will come in the next line, and also this one will take into the math mode. Okay, math mode shows that italics. Okay, like this. And also, let's say how to write the while loop. You write like this: while, and in bracket you can write anything, so it will come here. Okay, and let's say you want to state anything, it will come in the next line: states and each pair digits like this. And you can end the while loop like this: end while. Okay, and you can end the algorithmic tag like this. And after you finished the algorithmic tag, you can place label, algorithmic name, and you can also reference this one in another reference context. Okay, if you note here, stated in algorithmic 1. Okay, I have written the algorithm here, and how you can write these references: algo dot bracket. It doesn't matter if you write, don't write, it doesn't matter. Just write reference the algorithmic name that we have mentioned in the label. Okay, this ENC underscore algo is the one which we have named before in the algorithm, which was here. Okay, this one. This is how you can reference the algorithm even. Now let's discuss how to write the for loop in LaTeX. If you note here, we have written like this: for I from 0 to 1023. Okay, we have written like this. Also you can add this one here. See, the algorithm is same, the algorithm construction is same. Begin algorithm is here and the algorithm is here. You write the caption here and also begin the algorithm here. Now state is for every line you have to state it. Algorithm, it will be printed here in the PDF output. And also you can check this for loop. Now here you can begin the for loop. For I from 0, let's say 2 1023, and in the next for you can write like this, because this for should be ended by this end for statement, because this for is ended by this and this for is ended by this for. because there we have used two for statements, so you need to end two for statements even. Now in this way we can also write if I equals to hash table, okay, and you can state it, what is the condition you can have to mention according to your program. You can break it, okay, fine, and also you can end it, the algorithm, and you should write the label, and you can reference this label in the reference of your text, okay. And at last you should end the algorithm, okay. So main thing you should note here, the outermost tag is algorithm, the second outermost is algorithmic, and you can state it, for, while, and if statement can be used, and lastly you should close the algorithmic tag and then the label and then the last outer layer, which is the algorithm, okay. Suppose we want to add two images side by side like this, so you should write like this code, okay. You should follow this code. So here same is the thing, begin figure, end figure. Here is the tag we have used, and we can add centering keyword here and include the image here, and also include the image in the next line, and also write the caption, okay, which is present here, histogram of plain text ciphertext. You can write like this, and place the figure label as in the diagram below, and also you can use this label in your reference text. Also you need to add this width for each of the image, so that we can add these two images separate side by side. So this one should vary for you as well, because you should experiment with these values 42, 41. You can experiment with this so that they can get to the proper place side by side, okay. Now let's talk about the table generation in LaTeX. You can use the tablegenerator.com, and here you can edit the table and press the generate button and go to the copy to the clipboard and paste in your code here. Let's see, one generate here, space, and you can copy here, and you can compile it. You'll see the output. Now let's talk about the referencing in LaTeX. If you want to reference anything, it should be done in bibliography tag. Go to your end of your document and write begin bracket bibliography and press enter. It will show you like this, and here you can add your bibliography. What you can do is type a name of your bibliography, let's say 1, and in the next line you need to copy the reference. How you need to get the reference? Go to the Google Scholar like this, and let's say you want to have code switching document. Let's say this is your favorite, say this is the paper you want to add the reference. So you go to this notation sign, click here and copy this, okay. You need to copy this, close it, and go to your main source code and paste it here, and you can compile it. It will be shown like this, references number 1 in square bracket, and this is the reference. And let's say you want to cite this reference in this place. So what you're gonna do is go to this location and write like this, cite in this place like bib1, because we have cited it bib1 like this, and you can compile it. It will show like this, 1 and 1, okay. And remember one thing, when you're referencing the table, you should write label like this, label tab colon. It is most important thing in table referencing, and the rest is the same. You need to write this \ref, and in curly braces you may write the name of the reference and close it. In this case we have used like this, reference tab rep1 and tab rep2, okay. Now I think most of the thing which is most essential in writing LaTeX is covered by this video's tutorial. Now you may write enjoying this LaTeX document and research papers even And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will make videos like this which will motivate me to make more videos like this. And also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified every time when I upload a new video. And stay tuned and stay at home in coronavirus vacation.